going on, everyone? Happy Monday. This is Scott with S&R Motoring. Today I just wanted to do a quick little update video of what's going on in the life of S&R. First off, we have been recording a new episode on Randall's Supra. We are currently upgrading the CT26 to a TO4E turbo. We recorded a little bit this past weekend and the weekend before that. So that episode should be coming out here pretty soon. Second, some of you have been asking about my Conquest. It is still a project. It is still in the garage, but I did end up ordering some forged pistons for it. So once those come in, I'll be able to take the block to the machine shop and get it checked out and bored out for the new forged pistons. And once I get the block back, we'll be able to start the assembly process with the new pistons. So please stay tuned for those two new episodes that are going to be coming out very shortly. And if you're looking at our channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. The last thing I want to share with you guys is that we have a new merch store. You can go to srmotoring.bigcartel.com and order some shirts for yourselves. We have a total of 5 new designs on there that you can pick and choose from. Now, with that being said, Randall and I really want to grow this channel. So we're going to do a little giveaway. Right now, our channel is at 91 subscribers. If we are able to hit 100 subscribers by the end of this month of March, we are going to give away 2 t-shirts of your choice. The winner will be selected at random from our subscriber list, and the winner will be announced on April 1st on our Facebook page. So if you're already a subscriber or you're planning to subscribe, please share our channel with everybody that you know. And by doing that, we should reach our goal of 100 subscribers by the end of March. So don't forget to go to srmotoring.bigcartel.com to get your new shirt today. And also please check out our other videos we have available on our channel. And if you like those, please consider subscribing to our channel so you get updates on our new projects that are coming up. And also don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So thank you for watching this quick little update video. Once again, I'm Scott with S&R Motoring, and I hope you have an awesome day.